Lesson 2.3.2, using linear combination to solve a systems of linear equations. In this video, we will solve systems of equations using linear combination methods. What do you call a coat made of wolf fur? A werewolf. All right, solve each system of equations using the linear combination method. So we're using the same method, same steps. This time, when I look at it, I can't add, okay? Let's just look at it. If I go and add this, I'm gonna get 8x and negative 2y equals 22. The whole idea of adding the two equations is that one of the variables goes away. When I added this, both variables are still there. So in order for this to work, I need one of the variables to have the same number in front of it, okay, but opposite signs. Well, this is 3 and 5. They're not the same number, okay? And if I look at my y's, we've got negative 4 and 2, not the same number. But I do know that 2 times 2 equals 4. So I could make them be the same number by multiplying by 2. So I'm going to take this second equation and I'm going to multiply it by 2. Okay, so here's my first step. I'm going to bring over the top equation because I'm not doing anything to it. So it's going to be 5x minus 4y equals negative 22. I'm going to multiply the second equation by 2. So 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 2x is positive 4x. 2 times 2y is positive 4y, and then 2 times 44 is 88. Okay, so I've taken this 2 and I multiplied it to everything inside the parentheses here. Step 2, we're going to add these together. So 5 plus 6 is 11. Negative 4 plus 4, that's gone. Negative 22 plus 88, so 88 minus 22 is 66. So now I can go ahead and solve for x. So when I solve for x, I'm going to divide both sides by 11. So we get x is equal to 6. Then we're going to go to step 4, where we're going to plug in that 6 into one of the two equations from above. So like I said, I like to go with smaller numbers. So we're going to have 3 times 6 plus 2y equals 44. And then 3 times 6 is 18. And then I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides. So we get 2y is equal to 26. And now we can go ahead and divide both of them by 2 and get y is equal to 13. And then of course our last step is always to write things as an ordered pair. So 2, not 2. X is 6. So 6, comma, y is 13. So what I'd like you to do now is try number 4 on your own. And if we look at number 4, 3 can't be multiplied by anything to get 4, and 4 we can't multiply by anything to get 3. But if we look at the second one here, we can multiply the second equation by something to get the first one. So my hint to you is that you're going to try to get rid of the y's. So go ahead and do that now. So hopefully you multiplied the second equation by 7 and then added things together, so you get 31x equals 589. You divide by 31 and you get x equals 19. Then you can choose either the first or second equation. Okay, I chose the first equation, so I plugged it in and worked it out and got 4. But if you choose the second equation, you should also get 4. If you got -4, that means you dropped the negative on your y, and you should have had it there. So there is how you solve systems of equations where we multiply one of the equations so that you can add and cancel out.